Hello everyone, my name is Gnana Raju. I'm a certified nutrition fitness consultant. I'm also working for last 18 years in as a 20K senior executive president member in Herbalife Nutrition India. And it's my honor, it's my privilege to present you this wonderful information on pot belly obesity. This is the topic many people ask me in about pot belly. Sir, why the stomach will come up? How to reduce this pot belly obesity? How to reduce this my tummy? So this is what many people ask me. So on this, I thought of presenting you this video. So this video will be great help for many of the people, and gives a lot of ideas on how to lose their tummy. Okay, so how to reduce my tummy, how to reduce this pot belly obesity or apple shape obesity, right? So in fact, I myself have this pot belly obesity. You can see me there, white shirt. I also worked as a district registrar and assistant IG inspector general of ration stamps as a government officer, as a gazette officer under Group 1 services of Andhra Pradesh government. So I worked there for 10 years. Then I quit my job. There I also developed this pot belly obesity, and you can see me a lot of improving myself. I lost 12 kilos in 2.5 months. You can see my face also a lot of blown out face. Now looking better and healthier. And like now I worked after in department for 10 years. Then I quit my job and helping a lot of people health wise and wealth wise. So this is what my wife also lost a lot of weight, and she is amazingly looking gorgeous and healthier, and she's 43 years. I am 51 years. We both looking healthier and happier, and you can see my wife lost amazing weight and our children grown taller and amazing skin results also. You can see the glow in the face. So these are the results of the great nutrition, right? Nutrition and healthy active lifestyle and exercise. I myself do half marathon. Before in government job I never do exercises nor do running. Now I do 21 kilometers running, then 40 kilometers cycling, then I am a triathlete. Then my wife also does workouts. And about myself, I'm a certified nutrition and fitness consultant, also personal wellness coach for the past 18 years, certified nutrition fitness consultant, certified sports nutrition consultant, certified exercise science specialist, certified by American Society of Nutrition, marathon runner and cyclist, and CPR AID certified Zumba and Strong by Zumba instructor. And let me come into the topic about the pot belly, tummy. Okay. So many people, sir, don't beat on my tummy. So tummy is very important. So tummy is actually not good for our health also. Why put on? People are developing this pot belly obesity or pot belly, the tummy, because of lifestyle, change lifestyle. In our olden days, there is there nothing like washing machine, no cell phone, no TVs, no computers, no mixie, no gas stove. They used to do a lot of manual labor. Now they used to be slimmer. Now people are putting on weight, and the gadgets are becoming smarter and slimmer. We are putting on weight. You can see this. We are putting lot of weight. Our waistlines are increasing like coastlines. You can see the TVs are becoming slimmer. We are putting on weight. 120 120 million of all urban Indians are overweight. Greater the waistline, short the lifeline. Many people, ask God, God give me the health and, Ayurveda Aishwaryam. Ayur means lifespan. Arogya means, health, and Aishwarya means wealth. So if they have pot belly, bigger the waistline, how do they get, God's help? First, you have to do your work. Like children, they have to study, then they have to pray God. Same way, Ayur Arogya Aishwaryam will not come if you don't lose the tummy. So bigger the waistline, shorter the lifeline. You know it. Lifeline will come down. So that is why belt size will actually help you to understand. The bigger the belt size, smaller the lifeline, life size, right? So you lose lot of years when you increase your inches. So three types of pot bellies are there. One is for many Indians particularly, we have rice belly, when you eat a lot of rice. Number two, wheat belly, when you eat a lot of roti, chapati, all that. Number three, beer belly, okay, when you drink a lot. So that's generally people call it this three pot bellies. We call it like a apple shape also. Okay, there is a android obesity. When the obesity is at the seat hips region, that's called gynoid obesity or pear shape. And many people say obesity is a disease. It's not correct. Obesity is not a disease. It causes so many diseases. It causes a lot of unhealthy issues. For example, 80% of type 2 diabetes is developed because of obesity. 70% of cardiovascular disease causes because of obesity. 42% of breast and colon cancer because of obesity. 30% of gallbladder surgeries because of obesity. It's 26% of have people developing high blood pressure, hypertension because of obesity. Likewise, they also have back pain and leg pains and stroke, brain stroke, paralysis. That also comes because of obesity. Chest problem, breath, they become breathless, and fatty liver, back pain, leg pain, periods. For ladies, women have a lot of gynecological issues. They have monthly cycle, irregularity monthly cycle, regular monthly cycle, like PCOD and thyroid, osteoarthritis, and some certain kind of cancers like breast cancer, colon cancer, uterus cancer, cervical cancer, esophageal, pancreas, kidney, prostate, because of obesity. Coronary heart disease, dyslipidemia, cholesterol, heart problem, all this is because of obesity. Now there is also relation between diabetes and obesity. They're so close, jiggery friends, close friends. Like you said, diabetes and obesity together called diabesity. Together, diabesity, so much closer, thick. When you have obesity, diabetes likely to happen. Even gallstones also likely to happen, gallbladder stones. And also gout also could be because of this pot belly or obesity. Sleep apnea and asthma, all related to pot belly obesity. And pot belly and apple-shaped obesity is also culprit for cancer, many kind of cancers. And sexual problems also, like erectile dysfunction. This also in the sexual problem, they have a lot of problems with the obesity. And hernia, a lot of different types of hernias also resulted because of pot belly obesity or obesity. Depression and stress also because of pot belly obesity. And you know what? Even if you are thin, you can be fat. This is called TOFI, thin outside and fat, uh, thin outside and fat inside. That's called TOFI. At same time, SOFI also, skinny on the outside and fat on the inside. SOFI or TOFI is the same. They are look outside where they look thinner, okay, slimmer, but inside they have a lot of fat. So we cannot say just because you are lean, that doesn't mean you don't have any fat. You may be having even excess of fat also compared to obese person. And in the X-rays, you can see it's 400 kilos man, and the bones are like this way only, smaller bones, but body is so huge. That means people think, my weight is because of big bones. You can give, relaxation of extra 5, 10 kilos, not even 10 kilos, 3 kilos, maybe 4 kilos or 5 kilos max. But you cannot say, 20, 30 kilos because of bones. Okay, nobody have the big bones. And osteoarthritis also caused by because of obesity. The more weight is falling, it also affects the joint cushioning, cartilage reduction, all that. And damaging effect of even excess weight on the spine also gets problem, lumbar, and discs have disc prolapses. All these two things happen. So that's the reason why once you are obese, the pot belly is coming, tummy is coming out, naturally it also affects the spine, and also affects here spondylitis and the spinal problem, and also postural problem. Lot of postural alignment misalignment will be. So you sit like this, you say stand like this, so naturally affects your posture, and also looks shorter also. Lot of things will be. And even a heart also becomes like enlarged heart because of fat. It also, like instead of normal heart, it goes to enlarged heart. So this because of this tummy is coming out, the excess stomach is coming out, naturally affects the back pain. A lot of people have this pain on the spinal cord, and that's the reason why you have to first to measure the waistline, how much is the centimeters, and also hip size in centimeters. So waist divided by hip size is called waist to hip ratio. We have to see the measurements. So waist circumference wise in adults, if for males and female, these are the readings. If men have more than 100 centimeters, it is in a high range. For women, it is they shouldn't have more than 90 centimeters of waistline. Then they are under high risk zone. Okay, so likewise, waist to hip ratio, if the for women, if it is waist divided by hip size is 0.85 plus, they are under high risk zone. They are apples, right? Similar things with the men also. If the waist to hip ratio is more than 1.0, it is like a very high zone for the men also, equally risk for the men. So that's the reason apple shape is more dangerous than the avocado shape or pear shape. So why this causes? Why? What is the risk for once पेट आते तो क्या होता है? What will happen if the stomach is bigger? Simple reason, the visceral fat. They can see this visceral fat here. The visceral fat becomes very bigger. the fat inside the gut. Gut is supposed to be cleaner inside. So now if you see this person who is a leaner and is obese person who has a tummy, so you can see the internal organs, how the bodies are accumulated with a lot of fat. And the person who is leaner and obese person, you can see the difference, a lot of differences in terms of that yellow color is fat, subcutaneous fat and visceral fat. You can see the person who is lean and normal weight, and this side is obese person. All that shown in the yellow color or white color is fat. Okay, including subcutaneous fat and visceral fat. You can see the fat in also accumulated on the heart, right? So visceral fat is very dangerous. Once you cut open the tummy, so what is there is called visceral fat. Once they open the stomach, once they do the surgery, when we open out, surgically remove it, then you can see the visceral fat. So now the liver, this rich in blood, rich red color in color, this liver rich red color will turn into whitish color, pale color. That's called fatty liver. Why? The fat gets accumulated. To overcome this, to remove this fatty liver, grade 1, grade 2, grade 1 is reversible, and grade 3 is very difficult. It actually leads to cancer also. And to remove this, it is 30 to 40 lakhs is the expenditure in different corporate hospitals. So liver, so replacement is transplantation is very difficult and dangerous also. Now, once they are putting on fat, particularly tummy is coming up, it also affects the heart. Excess of your only 10 kilos overweight, your heart has to pump excess of 1,500 to 2,000 gallons of blood every day. Okay, very important. And when the tummy is coming up, naturally, a lot of gases also will be there. Internally, that small intestine, gets toxin filled with toxins, and that's the reason why whatever food you eat, usually it not get absorbed also. So that's the reason why they say it, you are what you eat. So be careful about what you eating, right? Watch your food, watch your eating style. So because whatever internally doing, outside it will be seen. So what you do it in secret, you will be shown outside in the public. So that's the reason why many people ask us, sir, what kind of exercise should I do to overcome this tummy? Well, a lot of people say only abdominal exercises and core workouts. We say, no, it's not correct. Some people say only walking. We also say it's not correct. Why? Because body is containing about 300 plus muscles, 206 bones. So all that exercise should support, to all the kind of 300 kind of muscles, correct? So orthopedic doctor says don't do walking because the weight will fall on the knees. So while diabetic doctor says don't stop walking. Diabetic doctor says looks in terms of sugar level, whereas the orthopedic doctor sees looks in terms of bone, the pressure falling on the knees. So what will happen if you keep on doing only core and abs workout while walking all the time? So if you do only walking all the time, then the wear and tear on the knees will be affecting more. So that is the reason only walking should not be done. Okay, likewise, if you want to do exercise, only core and abs workout should not be done. Why? If you keep on doing more intensively only on this area, then affects the back muscles, back effect, and other muscles will be affected. So you should not wear and tear only one part, because body is the thing which will remove the fat, not you. You are not doing. So let the body do the different kind of exercises. Is a part of it. The weight also, the tummy also will go down. Now, second part is some people go for massage. Is massage is okay? No. Massage will not, replace the fat. Massage only increase the blood circulation on the subcutaneous area. Cute means skin area. But the internal fat will remain there only. So massage will help to some extent in blood circulation, not removing the fat, right? Why? Because fat will not melt with water, right? Fat, imagine fat is like a oil, like coconut oil, groundnut oil. Oil will not mix with water, yes or no? Oil will not mix with the water. So that's the reason why fat is different and water is different. You cannot say that through water, fat will go off. Fat will not go through water. Fat will not go through sweat, right? So sauna belt, same cheating. Sauna belt and liposuction, same cheating. So this is called treating the symptom, not the disease. So sauna belt, what they do, they put the heat, heat pads or heat to a machine and try to increase the heat. Once through heat, they think, that water comes out, sweat will come out, and say fat is going. How fat will go, you tell me? When increase the temperature, body temperature, brain try to remove the, that brain try to ask the body to send more water in that area so that body will not burn. Meaning water comes out of the pores of the skin. Okay, sweat glands, sebaceous glands. So sweat is coming out. Sweat what? Not oil, not the fat. It's only water coming out. To reduce that, skin will not burn. Otherwise, the skin will burn and you will lose your life also. So that's the reason why body has a defense mechanism whereby when you increase the heat, water comes out to regulate the body temperature. It is not the fat loss, it's the water loss. You got it? Many people get cheated by the sauna belt and obesity clinics. They say then sitting you have to come for sitting, and they put the heat. And people also don't know, gullible people, because of ignorance, they go for this kind of wrong treatments. In acupuncture, what do you do? In acupuncture, through needles, do you think needles will help you to remove the fat? Fat is inside now. So that's all cheating. They may stimulate some organs, maybe some glands, but it will not help you to lose that extra fat unless you, that means through, you can put the needles and you can eat whatever you want, puri, bhaji, biryani, all that you can eat. No. So same way, is there tummy tucks and spot reduction therapy scientific? No. Obesity clinics have these cheating therapies. There is nothing like tummy tucks. Tummy tucks are not scientific, meaning only this part you will lose that. That is not there. Body will, remove the fat wherever it has that excess. First, it will try to remove the junior fat, that is yellow fat, that is young fat. Then it will try to remove that brown fat or stubborn fat or cellulite, okay, which is there piled up for so many years. So first it will try to remove the young fat, then it will try to remove the body fat, which is removing, not you are removing, not the doctor removing, it's the body removing. When you support with proper nutritional diet, with low in calories, then body try to remove. Plus exercise, when you calorie deficit is there, then body try to remove. That also in their part, body wherever you suppose body remove here, maybe here, somewhere. But you cannot say only removing that particular part is not scientific, because it's all cheating. They always commercially they exploit you. And spot reduction is also not scientific. Like one part, only here I will reduce, only here I'll reduce, only here that is not there. So body will try to uniformly try to reduce the fat wherever possible according to our genetical structure, our according to our genetical structure, how you are born. So spot reduction is also not scientific. As I said earlier, it's the body which is going to remove your fat. It's not the doctor nor you. Okay, you just support it with exercise and diet and other things. What about bariatric surgery, like gastric banding or gastric bypass surgery? They try to reduce the size of the stomach. But do you think by reducing the size of the stomach, you can still lose weight? Yes, to some extent initially, but it's not the permanent solution. Why? You can eat that. You don't have any idea about what you are eating. You eat the same rice and same chapati, same roti and puris and bhaji and chapati, everything, whatever. You don't understand. So that is the reason education is important, not just only surgery. And surgery to whom? Therefore, clinically obese, meaning 200 kilos, 250 kilos, 300 kilos, very high weight, obese people, okay, where the thing doctor says very high risk is there unless they lose that extra fat. Then only required. That also is the last resort, not the first case. First case is always diet and exercise and lifestyle changes, correct? So liposuction or gastric bypass surgery or bariatric surgery solution? No. Okay. So do you want to treat the symptom or disease? It's not. It's a symptom. You should not treat the symptom. You should treat the disease. Outside looking fat is a symptom. Outside seen. But what about internal diseases here? Eating, they don't have any idea what they are eating. So you have to give them medication, treat them properly, exercise and lifestyle habits correction, like water, sitting, how many hours are they sitting, how is the sleep. You have to see all the things, right? After surgery, why people still bounce back? Because they continue to go for their old habits. So if you don't make corrections on lifestyle, that is diet, exercise, sleep, water, fruits, etc., do you think you lose weight forever? No, you have to maintain it forever. So to maintain it, you have to go for exercise, diet and sleep and water, fruits, healthy habits, all that. So where should you concentrate? Should concentrate on treating the symptom or the disease, root cause disease, right? So that's the reason why these are not the permanent solution. These are temporary, like including liposuction. In the liposuction, outside fat will be removed under the skin. That's called fat under the skin, called hypodermis, meaning subcutaneous fat will be removed. But it's not the totally visceral fat. Visceral fat is more dangerous, deadly than subcutaneous fat. So what diet should I follow then to lose the tummy? Some people ask us, sir, kya karna hai, sir? What should I eat? Is it only low calorie diet? Is it only low sugar diet? Is it only fasting for 18 hours and eating for 8 hours window of intermittent fasting? Fasting or doing any kind of imbalanced diets kind is not a solution. Low calorie diet, like instead of rice or biryani, go for roti. Instead of 4 rotis, go for 2 roti. That's cutting down food. Cutting down is not the solution. You have to eat right. Eating balanced diet is the solution. So then calories also has to be lesser at the same time. It also should be supported by balanced diet. Is it only low sugar diet, meaning cutting down rice and roti, chapati, and going for other thing? No, no, not like that. Then what about you cut down this one? What about to other thing? You have to increase also some certain things. So you have to balance both. You have to increase certain good things. You have to reduce the bad things. So that's what you require. It's not just only cutting down. So fasting, intermittent fasting, the fasting once in a week is okay. But if you keep on doing intermittent fasting, ends up in acidity and gases problem and all that. And as I said, intermittent fasting also goes for low calorie diet. And as I said earlier, you require balanced diet also. Fine, you do fasting, but at the after what you do take? You have to eat balanced diet. No? Secondly, most of the people when they are intermittent fasting, they are low in energy, so they cannot do exercise. So exercise is important, and lifestyle changes. And 18 hours if you sit, 16 hours, 8 hours, you sit in front of TV, is it okay by doing just intermittent fasting? No, no, everything put together. So that's the reason why these are not work, these will not work. Is it imbalanced diets like a keto diet, means high fat diet, Atkins diet means high protein diet, paleo diet means only of high non-veg and fruits like our old ancestor man, and GM diet, General Motors diet, like high fruits diet, only eating fruits you lose weight, or only Mediterranean diet like a high in good fats and protein like olives and avocado and hummus, right? Is it okay? No, no, no. You have to balance both, and also diet and also exercise and also lifestyle habits correction. So that's the reason why, and also coach and also healthy community. All these are required. So our balanced diets, and you have time to calculate calories and nutrition values. You have enough time to calculate calories? Do you have enough time to count the nutrition values? And you have so much of knowledge also? Very difficult. People like us only, very difficult for us to calculate and see how much is nutrition and how many calories day to day. For our kind of lifestyle only, very difficult. Though we are into this field for last 18 years, then what about ordinary persons? Very difficult. So that's the reason why, what if you why don't make it simplified? Simplify, make it easy and practicable, balanced diets, and also supported with a healthy coach, wellness coach. Somebody will guide you, somebody will monitor you. That's what we do. So follow a 40 years plus proven holistic scientific therapy supported by scientists worldwide. That's what exactly we do. Personalized, simple, easy, practical, balanced diet, plus personalized exercises, plus personalized lifestyle habits correction, plus healthy health and wellness education, and plus healthy community support, plus an experienced personal health and wellness coach guidance. These will help you for sustainable results. Very important. This is what we provide for last 18 years, right? So number one, Herbalife is no doubt is the number one brand in the weight management. Alongside this diet, but also we design, the coach is more important. Coach is 80%, Herbalife only 20%. So because the coach experience will help you, the some community support also will help you, the personalized designing also important, right? So you can see us as example, we first tried on ourselves. The here left picture, my age was 27, here 47. This left side, my wife's age was 22, now 42. 20 years ka gap is there. Now left side, our age was 23, now she's 43. You can see the transformation after 20 years. Then see the color, on the face, see the change in the color and skin, and how beautiful they are looking, right? So me and my wife, so first we try it on ourselves first, then we give to our clients. And when the tummy goes down, see how they healthy, happy they are look like. So once the tummy goes out, they look 10-15 years younger to their age, and color also improves. This is the beauty of the nutrition effect. This all will happen. 114 to 77. See how much tummy came out. So with this tummy, he has all that diabetes and BP and cholesterol, a lot of problems. Now, not that we don't give any medical claims, but nutrition has a lot of health benefits. Once they lose weight, lot of health benefits do come because they are associated with obesity. So much sure I can say 89 to 77. Big tummy has. Okay, so likewise, Imran Sharif, 133 to 80 kilos. Okay, he lost more than 50 kilos plus. and 61 kilos of weight loss with Nazreen ma'am. Before 116 kilos, now she's 672 kilos. Amazing results, right? Likewise, see the tummy, 71 kilos weight loss, 143.2 to 72.4 kilos. How much is the fat loss? See, tummy. So likewise, we also have weight loss challenges, 21-day body transformation challenges. We also run a lot of exercises, personalized body weight and strength training, cardio and HIIT training, yoga and stretches, Pilates and fitness workouts, arm toning, core stretches, core strength and dance fitness, Bollywood and Tollywood, partner workout, Zumba and Bollywood dance, upper body, lower body workouts. And also we conduct a lot of nutrition classes for children, adults and teenage people, and about the good fats and bad fats and fiber, sugars and calories and healthy eating dining tables, how to do shopping, lot of lifestyle habits we correct. And we take photo at each milestone, and tracking and scanning and taking measurements we do. And also we give a lot of guidance, we recognize the people, and we also conduct fun games in the club. It could be offline or online. Sitting from home, you can get all these services. We can do it online also, everything through online Zoom calls. Workout challenges we do, and dance workouts also we conduct online or offline. Follow up and customer care we do. And also we do personal counseling, personalizing your diet and exercising and lifestyle habits correction. And we also make tasty shakes and serve them, and also teach healthy recipes. Teaching healthy recipes important, and recognize on the recognition walls and recognize in front of many people, and also retailing the products, suitable necessary nutrition supplements. And also we educate through weight loss challenges, and lot of things are there. As I said earlier, I myself tried, I lost weight, and we got good result, great result. That's how we got confidence, and we started referring to many people. So with the family changing and myself changing, previously in my job, I was not doing these exercises. I was not doing cycling and exercises, and I used to depend on 10 to 15 times tea coffee. And as I said about, I got a lot of certifications in American Society of Nutrition, and certified exercise and specialist, certified sports nutrition consultant, certified nutrition fitness consultant, and working for last 18 years in this field. And to reach me, these are the phone numbers. You can contact us. We also have website and Facebook and Instagram and YouTube and email. You can contact us. You can talk to us anytime. If you have already Herbalife coach and wellness coach, please contact them. If you don't have any like that, please contact us. Okay, we are more than happy to help you. We are happy to give you the service, and certain things are free services, certain things are paid services. So please feel free to contact us. If you like this video on the tummy reduction, so please like and subscribe, and forward and share to many people this video. And if you wanted to have our customer service, please join us. And thank you so much for your patience. Thank you so much for attention. Wish you all the best. God bless you. Thank you so much. Bye.